Hey everybody, welcome back to Easygenerator monthly updates. Valery, Kontsedaylo, the product owner at Easygenerator here.
And Kasper, Spiro, welcome to all of you.
And in the next couple of minutes, we will be giving you all the hot Easygenerator updates. So in September and at the beginning of October, we had quite a lot of updates. The first one is an option to create courses either from scratch or using our rich library of example courses.
Yeah, really nice way to make it easier to create courses based on the examples. So really happy we have that in. Requested a lot by users. So.
Yeah, another really useful feature is that now you can combine tracking and tracing in your LMSs in SCORM and our internal reach tracking and tracing.
Yeah, so that's one of the things that we're just constantly improving, the tracking and tracing, and so great that we have that in.
And finally, we introduced our Suri mode in questions.
Yeah, and that has been a request of many users. So you can now do surveys. So you will not have a right or a wrong answer, but you can just ask people about skills or other things. And so something that was requested for a long time. So really great, we have it now.
Yeah, now you can enable Suri mode in such question types as single choice, multiple choice, and statement. And more question types will follow. Also, we added a results page in our simple course template.
So we are working very hard to also make it easier for the learner. And one of the things that we think helps a lot is that they see what the response, their result is. So now instead of just finishing and going to your teacher, you will see the results directly. And we will add more stuff to that and make more improvements in the coming period.
Yeah, and one more feature that was requested really a lot is whitelist of users.
Yeah, that's all about security. So people want to be certain that only people that they invite will have access to the course. So you now can upload a list with email addresses, and only those people will be able to access the course. So great to have a feature. It's a bit LMS-like, but requested so many times that we decided to build it in anyway.
And you can define your whitelist by just filling in emails of your learners or students, or by just copying the list from your spreadsheet, or even importing your CSV file. And another thing that we added to our application recently is help button that helps you to get answers to the questions that you may have.
Yeah, so again, an effort to make it even easier. So it will offer you in context suggestions on things that you might want to know on a certain place where you are. You can search in the help database, but you still can also start chatting with the support desk. So we have now the combination of things, which is really cool.
And one of the biggest features that we introduced in the last month is the new content editor.
Yeah, and that really is a big thing for us. So it's not only about making things easier. We already had a drag and drop editor to create the structure of your course. We now added a content editor, which allows you with dragging and dropping design the pages, the information pages, the content pages, but also it's an effort to make it easier to create more beautiful content. So you can now very easily combine 2-3 rows of text, images. We will add interactivity to that. We will add audio and video to that later on, but a really big step for us. And we launched it last week and we get so far a really great response on it. So very happy that we have that live. Have been working on for months. Really big development for us. So let us know what you think about it, if you like it or not, and if you want to see more improvements or not. So
yeah, and we believe that it will help you to create content as easy as you can create courses in Easygenerator. And there are 3 more features that will follow in October and November. And the first one is that the new content editor will appear in more places inside the application.
Yeah, right now it's only when you create an information page, but it will be anywhere where you create content. So working on that right now.
And of course, we are not stopping on the things that we already have in the new content editor. We will introduce more useful blocks there.
Yeah, so one of them is one I've been looking forward for a long time. It's what we call the curation block. So it will enable you to put in a link in the editor, and it will give you a whole new way of sharing content, sharing information on the web, and actually be a curator of content. So that's something that hopefully will be in the product somewhere next week or so. And then we'll pay a lot of attention to that because I think it's a really great addition to the product.
Yeah, and one more thing that is requested also quite a lot is documents library, and we are going to introduce that also in November.
Yeah, and that is important because a lot of people who start with e-learning, which are the main users of Easygenerator, have a lot of content already in PDFs, Word, PowerPoint, whatever. So for them to make it easy to start, we now will allow them to upload that into the course. So you can just have your old documents and start adding content to that. And after that, start migrating them into real e-learning. So it's again, making it easy to start with e-learning with Easygenerator. So a very cool development.
Yeah. So I think that that's it for today. A lot of updates and even more will follow. Thank you and have a great day.
Same here. Bye.
Bye-bye.